If you're looking to make extra cash or just start a small business, I highly recommend making these adorable tumblers. For today's tutorial, I am using these tumblers. They are from HTV Runt. You can find this on my Amazon storefront, linked below. I love these because it comes with their own boxes, a set of straw and straw cleaners, and the glass is very durable, unlike other ones that I've had before. Cheaper is not always better. I know you want to make the most out of your profits. However, you don't want glass that breaks easily or glass from a manufacturer that has many shards in it, because that's really dangerous. And I highly recommend this one to play the safe route. You can see the glass thickness here and it's perfect. To put designs on the cups, you just need UVDTF wraps, which go for about $1 to $3. The designs that you see here are actually hand-drawn by me, so you won't be able to find them anywhere else on the internet, but I do have a few that are available in my shop, so you can grab the file and then go on a UVDTF supplier site and order some. I forgot to show you, the cups do come with the lids. Applying the UVDTF transfer is incredibly easy. First, you want to align it with your cup, and I like to cut off a little bit of the end, so that'll work as sort of my guide. So when I line it up with my cup, I stick the end and then work my way around the cup. You'll see it in a few what I'm talking about. I used a shirt to hold my cup, but there are these silicone cup holders. I'll have that link below as well, which makes it much easier than this. You just put your tumbler on there and then work your way around the cup with the wrap. Once your transfer edge is stuck on the cup, this is the easy part. You just go on the other side and you see how the backing paper just lifts right off. Slowly work your way around the cup by smoothing it and sticking the adhesive onto there, and the back paper should automatically just like lift off. But be sure you take your time so you don't have any air bubbles. This step is important. You want to squeegee any air bubbles and make sure that the transfer is definitely stuck on the cup. I went over this a couple of times, and I have a glasses cleaner cloth fabric thing, whatever, on my Cricut squeegee so I wouldn't scratch it, and it worked really well. The final step for using UVDTF transfers is to peel the film off of the design. Be extremely careful when you peel this because you can lift the design off of the cup or rip it. This cup only took me about 5 minutes or less, and it was incredibly easy to do, as you saw in today's video. There are small businesses that have UVDTF transfers that are ready to go, so if you only want a singular design, they have that available. If you do decide that you want to start a small business selling glass can cup tumblers, I do have another video that shows all of my recommended shipping supplies or my Cricut supplies if you're looking to do layered vinyl instead of UVDTF. So feel free to check that out if you'd like. It'd mean a lot to me, and you can let me know what you think. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can gain access to more tutorials and small business resources, and I'll see you in my next video.